Ay, go vlog. Good afternoon, Landers in Irland, Dubai. Proud to be Pinoy. My God, I long time no vlog. Only now, again. Eto daw kami ay, hi Mami, hi Tita Renz, hi Ate Ana. Andito kami sa Dubai. Ngayon na UAE National Day. At magpapakain sa sumisita sa Nepali Restaurant. Magmumukbang tayo sa Nepali Restaurant ngayon. Napapakain ako ng Nepali food. Kasi gusto ko yung mumu nila eh. Oo, i-treat daw niya kami ni Sister Gemma. Ayan, saan dito tayo sa Dubai, lakad-lakad. Buti maganda ang panahon. Grabe, nakagala si Ate Ana. Today is December 2. UAE National Day. Ayan. 52 UAE National Day. Ayan. Eh si Nasser nagyayaya sa ano, sa expo. Sabi ko sa ano na lang, sa Sunday. Tingnan niyo, ang ganda oh. Ganda oh. Ganda. Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda naman. Ang ganda. Tata, nag-vlog ako. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda oh. Fiesta. Fiesta. Ang ganda, mayroon pala ba yata? Ang ganda. Ayan oh. Ayan, ang ganda. Celebrate ng ano, UAE National Day, di ba? Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda naman. Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda, grabe. Ang cute. Ayan oh. Nakagala tuloy tayo. Sa UAE National si Sister Gemma Cruz. Ayan. Ganda. Ganda ang ginawa nila dito oh. Talagang ano, fiesta. Welcome to the fiesta festival. Yeah, nice na. Beautiful. Ang ganda. Ganda ng ano nila. Talagang ginastosan nila. Ang ganda. Ay, Mami. Eto. Nakagala Ate Ana. Nakagala si Ate Ana. Ang ganda naman. Pagkakagawa. Ang ganda. O, diba? Celebrate talaga sila ng UAE National Day. O. Ang ganda. Grabe. Nakakatuwa naman. Patagal ko dito, ngayon ako nakakita ng ganito. Ayan. Daming julakas.
You want?
Oh my God, see? Oh my God. See? As Misita wearing this one, I know.
This one also.
See? Ayan, oh. The I love you, hey pa, oh. Tuwa naman. Ginawa nilang ito. Ang ganda, oh.
No, no.
Anong ginagawa niya?
Nagluluto.
Ay, magluluto na. Ayan. Kasi dito ay purong Nepali. Kaya purong mga, ano, marami ditong Nepali. Nepali people ang madami dito sa lugar na to. Kaya ganyan. Ayan, oh. Simula na punta ako ng Dera, hindi na ako nakakargala dito. Ayan.
Nice na?
Simula nang nagpunta ako ng Dera, hindi na ako nakakapunta dito. So, may mga gusto yung kadakanto, oh. Ganda naman. Nagluluto daw siya. Ay, ang ganda, oh. So, yung mga damit, oh. Grabe. Nagdatuloy ako nakapag-vlog. Nakapaggala ako. Ganda ng mga tela. Oh. Ayan. Ewan ko sang Nepali restaurant kami kakain ito ni Asimisita. Kasi sa Nepali restaurant daw, sabi niya. Ang ganda. Ito ang ganda, oh. Ito ang ganda, oh. Oh my God, ang ganda nito, oh. Ito pa, oh. Sorry. Ang gaganda, grabe. Ayan. Alam ko, dati nagpupunta ako dito. Ngayon, pero nalipat ako sa Dera, hindi ako nakakagala dito sa lugar na to. Burdo ba ito eh? Oo. Itong looban na to. Ayan o. Ayan. Ay nako, parang gutom na ako. Pagdating natin sa restaurant, gutom na ako ah. Ah, ito yung ano eh. Abra.
Abra tayo.
Yeah. Ayan. Grabe. Ganda ng mga ano, mga national costume. Ganda ng national ko yan. National costume nila. Ganda. Ayan o. Talaga namang ano, nakaikot. Abay, dapat pala doon tayo bumaba sa binaba ni ano, ni Orms. Ni Orms, no? Grabe yung mga sari dito, oh. Oh. Ganda. Nice. O, diba? Oh my God. Eh, ito mas pupu, bird pupu. Ay, ang cute ang gown. Ayan. Mama, he want to go foot massage. Ay. Grabe yung mga julas, oh. I want the jewelry, the big golds. Mama, reading the massage. My God, we're going back. Yeah, very nice. First time I come to this place after 25 years. This place. See? Very nice. Oh, ang gaganda ng mga dami. Ay, ganda oh. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Karachi? Karachi? Oh my God. Karachi restaurant? Karachi is Pakistan, no? Karachi is Pakistani restaurant. I thought Nepali restaurant we're going to eat.
Your boyfriend is Pakistan.
Oh my God.
You're not my.
Why friend Pakistani friend? No,
Not my. You.
friend is not Pakistan from UK. Don't tell me this one. It's Indian restaurant. Okay. Oh my God. Very far this Nepali restaurant. Hiding. Too much hiding. See? Madam Marites. Oh my God, the tourist guy. Close already. Close already. I am sure. Oh my God. Oh my God, we're going. Where are we going? Diyos ko po. Ang layo na ng ikot namin. Dito lang kami sa kaloob-loob. Ngayon ako lang natin itong lugar na to.
Nasa airport na tayo eh.
Asa? Ang Carrefour.
No, Carrefour.
Bus station.
No, bus station.
Sa ano, ang Algubaba bus station.
No. Yeah.
Where? Oh my God, only for Namumu. Too much walking. Only Mumu, too much walking. What is this? Oh my
What do you
God.
want? May also people not get down. Yeah.
Oh my God. Diyos ko. Parang paglabas ka natin, bus station.
No bus station.
Algubay pa bus station.
Madam Bombay angry after all.
See, Mama telling, why not go taxi?
Yeah. See,
But be sure that after come out, not there, after we are in there already. See?
drink one.
See? My God. Where is this?
Coming. Only 5 minutes.
Oh my God, only for one Mumu, I'm walking too much. See? Pagbalik sa highway na tayo dumaan. Only Mumu I want.
You need other?
Only Mumu I want.
Other also? You
Chicken Mumu I want.
Want no box?
No. Mumu and juice I like only. I want Mumu really. No, I'm hungry. Oh, wait. Lassi. Oh my God. See?
Come
See,
here,
this
dear
is bus
side.
stop already.
How come? Dear side.
Oh my God.
Here also too much, but we always going here, na? That's why I want to bring to you.
See? Oh my God. That's why Prem not come. He said, I
How
know.
come Prem
too
always
much
run?
walking. Too much
Always-
walking.
No, girlfriend too much angry. Calling me also.
Oh?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Why? We are round, na? That's why.
Malapit tayo sa ano eh. Alpahidi to eh, di ba? Di ba Alpahidi na to? Yung ano, yung bank, yung Habib Bank. This is the what? No. No, not yet. Oh my God.
Coming 5 minutes.
Oh my God.
सीजन ही होता साला
Alpahidi na to eh, o di ba? Patay na ka do. Thailand? Kato sa Thailand?
Hotel Nepali restaurant here, na?
Yeah, this one, before I go there, I go here. Itong Astoria na to, punta kami nila ano dati dito. Itong Astoria Hotel, puro ano din yan, Nepali.
Nepali club.
Yeah, I go there before.
What?
Astoria, yeah.
Oh,
With the Nepali guy.
how many people?
Oh my God, sometimes we are 10, 11.
See,
Yeah, this one Astoria, this all
Marisol, Marisha, then
see?
Auntie Penny.
Oh my God.
Everything for
That's before. That's already memory. Because all my Nepali guy friends are sleeping already. Where? Oh my God. Where?
you.
Close.
Shortcut.
Sho. Oh my God. Diyos ko, saan kami dinala Asmita? Ay, naku, may mga shortcut pa. Ano ba yan? Pa? Diyos ko. Nakapag-vlog tuloy ako. Pinapapunod na aking pinsan. Oh my God. Dito pala marami mga ganto-ganto. Kung saan sa kami dinadaan. O where? Oh my God. Oh, Alpahidi. Oh my God. This is mobile shop. Where we eat? Mobile shop? Oh my God. See, this is golden pork. See? We eat before there, golden pork. After go Astoria Hotel, we go that called golden pork.
Sarap video.
Oh, sarap DJ also.
Sure.
Shut up!
Asra piste diya na. Very far.
Yeah. Ay, hindi na siya hindi na siya golden pork. Dati golden pork yan oh. Yan. Ay, Diyos ko, ginita talaga. Oh my. Kung sasabi na nalamit siya. Ito na. Dito na. Ito na. Diyos ko po. Oh. Nasa ano na tayo? Nepal. Nasa Nepal na tayo. Nepali place daw to, sabi niya. Puro Nepal dito. Nepali place. Oo nga, tingnan mo. Oh. Oh, tingnan mo, sister. Nakating na kami ng Nepal sa kalalakad. O yan, oh. Ito din, Nepal, oh. Baka dito. Oh, say ito oh. Ito. Ito nga, oh. Dito nga tayo. Oh. Ate, here. Here. Ayan, andito kami guys sa Oh, Nepali restaurant like ko. Oh my God. I'm tired to walk.
I like
Ayan, magmumumpang tayo ng Nepali food. Ayan, si sister. Ayun. Ayan.
You want steam momo?
Only lassi.
Lassi tinta bana diyo na. Sweet mama? Sweet yeah, little bit also.
Sweet, yeah.
Then no fry rice?
No, I don't like. Only. Yeah.
Tinta steam momo banai. Tinta momo tinta. There is no spring roll here. Spring roll? No spring roll. No. You order one? Ante iba. Like we eating that, no? Like that. No, this one.
Just you bring now.
Yeah, bring. Only momo, yeah. No, we are eat momo first. Then not enough, I will order. Noodles. How much noodles? Noodles also? Like? Right. Boyni. Fried noodle, na? Not soup, huh? Yeah, fried.
Fried noodles.
My wedding party.
Congratulations. Congratulations for your wedding party. Dito kami sa Nepali restaurant. Magbungok na kami ng Nepali food. What is the name of this restaurant? Silver Spoon in Birdfly. With the Queen Marites.
How come don't tell
Marisol. Marika. You didn't know what is Marites? You don't know? You tell. You know what is Marites?
No. How come?
So, auntie, you know Marites? Introduce me this game like this.
Not passport, na?
Not password. You don't have data? Oh my God.
I'm not rich.
Oh my God. Ay, sister mo meron no? Password.
Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi. May data ako eh.
Masarap pala umupo dito sa Wi-Fi.
Mamaya magla-live tayo. Mamaya makapag-live. Hi, Katie. Hi, Naditi. Ayun, nasabi ko sa'yo. Kumakain talaga ako ng mga pagkain ng ibang lari. Yan ang aking talent. Hiding talent. Sarap ng mumu nila dito. Ang sarap ng mumu ng Nepal. Yung parang dumplings. Ano Nepal? Auntie Marites. Very busy. Eating the Wi-Fi. Oh my God. Okay, sige na. Mamaya na lang natin tingnan. So, ayan, ang Nepali noodles. Ayan, Nepali noodles. Ito yung momo na sinasabi ko, my God. Wow, too much?
Yeah, all finished.
Oh my God, too much. Ang dami. Oh my God. Wow.
Eat.
Oh my God. See. Sarap. Oh my God. Oh, how many pieces this one? Too much. Sarap. This is Taichan. See, Mother's very hungry today. Tikman natin, tikman natin.
Wedding preparation.
Ayan, for the wedding party. What is this? What is this?
Pita, pickle. Homemade pickle, huh?
Tikman natin ang kanilang noodles. Tikman natin ang noodles nila.
For my boyfriend and me, I
It's in here?
yeah.
Really?
Okay. Nice, mama? Yeah. Nice.
What is this?
Chinese. Like a Chinese food.
This is putting like this?
This one, pickle. Homemade pickle.
Very nice.
So nice? Yeah. Pita. Yes, same. Mama, this one.
Oh my God, it's like noodles.
Whatever you want, eat, no problem.
Nice. Basta yung sarap. Sarap ng ano. Sarap mo siya nito. Nito. Ang sarap. Very nice.
Give me this. Enough.
Ano? Sarap ng noodles.
That's why my boyfriend always like.
Don't have problem na I go Nepal, I eat.
Yes.
Noodles and
Nepal
momo.
more than fun. It was right.
Very nice. Sarap.
Ashraf not coming. Ashraf.
No, I ordered this one. That is your long life. Because you treat us, no different.
Ang sarap ng pansit, grabe.
Nice, mama.
Very nice. Oh my God.
Eat not chicken also.
I need to eat the momo now because after I don't eat the momo because I'm full already.
If you not finish, you can take away. No problem.
I'll drink tomorrow. No need to cook bohong. Kaya natin yung ano. Ito. Oh, ang dami. Why too much? Tapos ang dumpling. How much? Ay. Matrabaho kasi itong momo na to eh. Pag gumagawa nito dati sila Saran, yung trabaho nito eh. Ito, gumagawa nito si Saran tsaka si Jackie, napakatrabaho. Napakasarap nga lang. No? Ayan. Tikman natin yung momo. Ano Ano ito, dumpling? Ano? Marap? Very hot.
Yeah, I told you.
Ang init.
Very hot. Feeling?
Ang init.
Feeling
Sarap.
auntie always hurry.
Oh, very nice. Sarap.
You can eat with pickle.
Yeah, I put. Sarap.
Little sour. No?
Ang sarap. Grabe. Ang
One day
sinasabi ko.
I will taste one because of different taste also. And other food also.
But this I like. Ano, hindi na tayo makakain ng dinner. Sarap. Sulit yung layo ng lakad.
So me.
Plus no more dinner now. Going home is this.
So, I get this one when we are market dyan, no? Sa may gilid ng ano. 12 pieces, 15 dirham, 6 pieces.
Bumibili nito si Saran eh. Meron bilihan sa ano eh. Kasi pag gumawa sila nito, napakadaming ano, ang alikabok pa. Kasi ang daming yung flour.
My boyfriend always say, go Nepali restaurant. Nepali restaurant. Always say.
Nice, no?
I don't like Indian restaurant.
Pwede na tayo punta ng Nepal. Pwede na tayo punta ng Nepal. Yan ang lagi natin
We
kakain.
are thinking we are in the Nepal area. Because we are eating this.
No, I feel I'm in Nepal now.
Yeah.
Sure?
Very nice. Ang hang pala nito. Ang hang. Yung una ko, ang spicy.
What you eat? I'm not eating. Mama like
This is my favorite movie.
Sarap kasi. Masaya, mamaya na. So ayan, pauwi na kami. Busog na busog ako, vloggers. Ang sarap, grabe. Ay.
5 dirham?
Ayan, nandito kami sa Old Souk. Ayan o. Nasa Old Souk kami. Sasakay kami ng boat. Sasakay kami ng bangka. See? Napa-vlog tuloy ako. Ano to? Old Souk.
Nepal also same like Tamil.
Ah!
Yeah, Nepal also same like. Much people, no?
Yeah, because today holiday na, yung National Day. Yung mga fruit nila, oh. Daming tao. Grabe. Mas traffic. Mas traffic. Tuwa naman. Ang pagkain nila. Ayan. Nakagala. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda naman. Nice na. Ayan, piling turista. So Ate Ana, isa ito sa mga pinupuntahan ng mga turista. Itong lugar na to. Ayan, oh. Ito yung Old Souk. Parang ano, lumang palengke.
I'm going
Gano.
vacation now. That time I bring too much. I saw this one
What?
for my mom, no?
Ah, yeah. Nice. Nice.
Konnichiwa. Nishida Toshiki.
This one I bring.
Yeah.
Ha? Si Tot, I'm Japanese. Si Tot, I'm Japanese.
Same.
Si Tot, I'm Japanese.
Talking also Japanese language.
Yeah, this Japanese language, no? I like this one, no? Very nice. Japan. Akala nila ito rin Japanese ako. Kasi yung buhok ko. Dito I'm Japanese. Oh my God.
He is calling.
They thought I'm Japanese.
She like Georgia.
Yeah. Oh my God. Before they asked me, I'm Korea. Now I'm Japanese. Ay, pulang. Busog na busog talaga ako, Blanders. Grabe.
My sister want I sent something.
This is nice, though.
Yeah. I have but short one.
Ang gala tuloy.
Only 10 dirham.
See?
See? For boyfriend.
Oh my God.
10
For boyfriend. Halo ka naman si ate. Namin gito nakasampay. Ayan.
Welcome.
Ayan, sakit tayo yung bangka. Babangka tayo tuloy, Ate Ana. Ay! You need to buy, I have, I don't know, load.
No, I have other card.
So ayan, sakay kami ng bangka. Sakay na pamiyana. Ayan, ang ganda ng boat. Naka-boat, ang ganda ng boat. Naka-roro. Yeah, nice, no? The RDA.
1 dirham just one.
Yeah, this one is old one. This one, old, oh yeah, old boat. Yeah, this one nice. Yeah. Ayan, nakasakay tuloy kami ng bangka. Ang ganda ng bangka namin sinakyan. Hindi siya ganun yung old one. Yan yung old na bangka eh. Ito maganda yung sinakyan ng bangka. Also nice the one who go for Sarja, no?
Yeah.
Boat also.
You want to try, huh?
25 dirham I think. Yeah, 25. We ask Prem also, we go together.
Ah.
Then we go there, Sarja in
Prem too much drinking, na that's why she is.
problem. Ganda.
And here,
Alam, nakasakay na ako dito dyan sa ganyan si Ana, di ba? Nung una nag-vlog ako, nakita mo, sumakay ako dyan sa ganyang bangka. Ngayon, di ba naman ito sinakyan ko, maganda siya. Ganda. Para siyang lancha. Ang ganda. I think this is the one who go Sarja, huh? This one. Yeah, this one, water taxi. This is the one who go Sarja. Yeah. This one is the Alwarka. This is one time I go here, no? This place.
Museum?
No, this is not the museum. What to call this? I go.
Box also here, na?
Yeah, I go there before. Together with Achara, but Achara only
Yeah,
live there. Yeah. Ayan mo, mga lumang ano. Alwar, what is this the name of this place?
Yeah, before I was,
Yeah.
I will also give you 1 year.
I go that place already before.
I'll go there before. Inside very nice, na?
Yeah.
Very expensive also hotel.
Yeah, this hotel, no? Too much hotel inside.
But very expensive.
Very expensive hotel.
Maybe one night 1,500 dirham, na?
Yeah. Very expensive hotel. After ghost. Yeah, see, seem like have ghost, no? See? Like haunted house. See? Grabe. Mga lumang bahay.
Starbucks.
Yeah. Ah, yeah. So, di ba nakagana? Yeah, because holiday, no? Yes, nakababa na kami. Yeah, I think this guy. This is the other one who's sitting there now. Ay, ayan na, nakatawid na kami ng dagat. Ah, this is the one who goes Sarja? I don't think so.
Nice, no?
Yeah, if this is the one, no, nice. See? Or this is Dukrus.
Oh.
Dukrus this one. Eating. We check. Yeah. The other baby, tell to friend. We eat there.
They are giving food also, no?
Yeah, you pay now with the food.
Together, again going?
Both ay for rent. For rent. See? Both for rent. Oh, you need to rent. Yeah. This boat is for rent. If you want to rent, after they going to, this all boat for rent. See? Wedding. Yeah. Is there writing, huh?
No, this one. Sit here.
This is for rent. You ask,
I married you, sir. I'll marry.
sige, I take you video, Marites. This is Do Cruz, I think. Di ba ganda? Oh, yan. Andito na. Dito na ako mag-ano. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Pinoy Vlog ng Dubai. Proud to be Pinoy. Eat well, live well. God bless you all. I miss you, mommy. Mwah, 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 mwah. See you in my next vlog. Ganda. Ayan, nakagala si Ate Ana. Nakagala na si Ate Ana. Ayan, Ate Ana, may nakita ka ng bang view. Keep always safe.